is ready, the next step is to create a profile. So first we will create ground profile, that is existing profile, and then the design profile. So on your tab, home tab, in create design ribbon, you just click on the profile and say create surface profile. Click it and you will have options here. So alignment is already selected, the only one you have here, and surface also only one that we have, and there can be multiple alignments and multiple surfaces too. So for this case we have only one, and select surface, we select this and say okay, add. Here we have already so say add, and it adds the surface, to refer. And here you have the sample, the whole alignment from the start to the changes specified here, and say click on the draw in profile. Now another window will pop out and it will ask you for certain things. So select alignment, it's already selected. Profile view name, you can name it. You can say like, okay, tutorial profile, I can say profile, and description you can add if any, and the default style, I will keep the default style as it is, and station range from beginning to end. Okay, it's automatic. You can specify how much you want, and even say like profile height, it's also automatic, 300 to 27, it's fine, no problem. You can even specify. And profile display options, just surface is right now, we don't have anything else. And data bands, we say okay, existing elevation and exist station, that's fine. Okay, this one we will later learn how to customize it. And this one, we only have only one profile, that will be the ground, so this is useless for right now. Okay, so let's say, and I say okay, create profile view. It will ask you to create, where you want to create it. So we just select it here somewhere. We have a little bit of space between them, and okay, so you just click it and you have the profile. You see the line, the red line is the ground profile following your alignment, here. Success. And down there you have changes and the surfaces. So you see two elevations here. These are nothing, just existing and the design. So we can later change it to display existing and design profile side by side. Okay, now your ground profile, the existing profile has been generated. Next step is to create your design profile. Okay, for that, before doing that, let's switch off, turn off this extra line, these minor lines. So let's just select this, and then go to the profile view properties. The contextual option, whenever you select anything in Civil 3D, there will be contextual options. So here, in when you are when a new window pops up, you have object style. Go to edit object style and go to the display option. Okay, from here go to display option and find the top axis. Now you can find grid, vertical grid option. So minor, turn off the minor grid, and horizontal grid also. Okay, so that there will be a little bit more space and less lines. So you say apply. Okay, and okay, so now it's better, it's more better, better to view.